Thinking of an unforgettable journey to Jordan, a nation celebrated for the ancient city of Petra, the vast desert of Wadi Rum, and the buoyant Dead Sea. Gaining entry is simple with the Jordan eVisa. In this video, we'll guide you through everything you need to know about securing your Jordan eVisa, ensuring a quick and easy start to your adventure. Stay tuned for all the essential travel tips. So, what exactly is a Jordan eVisa? It is an official electronic travel permit that allows eligible international travelers to apply online for entry. The entire process, from application submission to approval, is completed digitally. This convenient system means you can secure your visa without the need for a physical visit to a Jordanian embassy or consulate. What can you do with a Jordan eVisa? The Jordan eVisa is designed for short-term stays, primarily for tourism. You can use it for sightseeing, visiting family and friends, short business engagements, or even attending cultural events or workshops. However, it is crucial to remember that the eVisa does not authorize you to take up gainful employment or conduct long-term study in Jordan. Who is eligible for a Jordan eVisa? The Jordan eVisa system is available to citizens of many countries worldwide. Eligibility depends on your nationality, so it's essential to check the official list provided by the Jordanian government or platforms like eVisas.com. Citizens of some nations may also be eligible for visa-free entry or a visa on arrival. But the eVisa is highly recommended for convenience and faster processing. Jordan eVisa validity and conditions. Jordan offers eVisa options for various travel needs, including single, double, and multiple entry permits. The overall validity of the visa can range from 3 months up to 1 year, depending on the type you choose. Importantly, the maximum stay permitted for any single trip is generally 30 consecutive days upon each entry. Jordan eVisa requirements. The application process requires a few key documents. You must have a passport that is valid for at least 6 months beyond your planned date of entry. You will also need a recent passport-sized photograph in digital format. Finally, applicants may be asked to provide proof of travel plans, such as confirmed flight and hotel booking details. How to apply for the Jordan eVisa? Applying for the Jordan eVisa is a simple 4-step online process. First, visit eVisas.com and select Jordan as your travel destination. Second, complete the online application form with all your personal and travel details, and upload the necessary documents, like your passport copy and digital photo. Third, pay the required non-refundable visa processing fee securely online. Finally, once approved, your official eVisa will be sent directly to your email address as a PDF document, which you should save or print. Jordan eVisa processing times. Once you successfully submit your application, Jordan eVisa is typically processed within an estimated 1 to 4 business days. To ensure a stress-free trip, it is highly recommended that you submit your application well in advance of your planned travel date. Remember to double-check all information before submission, as errors are the most common cause of delays. After arrival, immigration, and length of stay. Upon arrival at a Jordanian port of entry, you will present your printed or digital eVisa along with your valid passport to the immigration officer. Your granted stay will be limited to a maximum of 30 consecutive days depending on the type of eVisa you hold. Always ensure you carry a printed copy of the eVisa for border officials. And remember that entry is ultimately at the discretion of the border official. Tips when traveling to Jordan. Here are a few essential tips for a smooth entry and trip in Jordan. The Jordan Pass. Consider purchasing this pass before arrival, which often waives the tourist visa fee if staying 3 nights or more, and includes entry to major sites like Petra. Currency. The official currency is the Jordanian dinar. While cards are accepted in major cities, Carry cash for smaller shops, taxis, and remote areas like Wadi Rum. Hospitality. Jordanian hospitality is legendary. If you are offered tea or coffee by a local, accepting is a crucial sign of respect. Dress modestly, especially outside of Amman and when visiting religious sites. Women should aim to cover their shoulders and knees. Where should you visit in Jordan? Jordan, the Hashemite Kingdom, offers a stunning collection of ancient wonders and natural beauty. Petra. The world-famous Rose City was carved into sandstone cliffs over 2,000 years ago. Don't miss the iconic treasury after walking through the Sick Canyon. Wadi Rum, often called the Valley of the Moon. This majestic, protected desert wilderness is perfect for 4x4 tours and sleeping under the stars in a traditional Bedouin camp. The Dead Sea, the lowest point on Earth, where the extremely high salt content allows you to float effortlessly while enjoying the therapeutic mud. Jerash. Explore the ruins of Jerash, recognized as one of the best preserved Greco-Roman cities outside of Italy, featuring colonnaded streets and grand theaters. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy travel guides and visit our website for a hassle-free eVisa application. Happy travels wherever you're headed next.